Now this is very easy, so just follow the few steps I'm going to show you. First thing you have to do is open up the internet browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, and go to this website, python.org/downloads. I'll be putting that link in the description below. And on this page, you will find the latest Python version here, which you can simply select and directly download the launcher, or you can scroll down and see the different versions of Python and which date in which it was released. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be using the latest version, Python 3.12.4, and next to it here, I'm going to be choosing download. Go ahead and scroll down, and what you want to do is under files, you want to select your installer and which applies to you. So in my case, my computer is a 64-bit, so I'm going to be using the Windows installer 64-bit. However, if yours is Windows 32-bit, you'll be choosing this link. Select it, and it will download the launcher. Now all you have to do is open up the File Explorer and simply go to your Downloads section and go ahead and double click to launch the installer. And as you can see, it's going to bring up a pop-up like this, and what you want to do is simply you can customize the installation. Now this is optional, you don't have to do this. Most people are fine with the standard options in which Python does offer. And you can choose next and also select the advanced options if you need it, as well as change the installation location of where it's going to be. And once you're done, you can go ahead and choose install or go back. And what you want to do is simply check off add python.exe to path. And this option basically allows you to use Python from the command prompt without needing to specify the full path to the Python executable. So select that and simply select install now. Alright, and once it's completed, it shouldn't take more than a minute. It will say setup was successful. You can simply close this out and you're done with this. So now in order to verify your installation is done correctly, choose the start menu and type in cmd. Go ahead and open up the command prompt. And what you want to do is type in this code here, python space -- version, and select enter. That will give you the version in which Python was downloaded. So this is the one we just downloaded, Python 3.12.4. And then also type in this one. And as you can see, it will give you the pip version, and it will show you the directory of which the package is installed. So now you can also easily close this out, and you can choose the start menu, type in Python. And you can see that it has successfully installed. So this is version 3.12.4, which is what we have installed from the website, 3.12.4. Alright, I hope you found this tutorial useful. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.